Yeah, buddy. Turn this way, buddy. This is amazing. This is pretty intense. Yeah. What do you think, buddy? Oh, watch out! Ah, I see a collision. Oh man.
Gatorade, baby. Okay, we're gonna go to the chairlift. You wanna ride up with Mama this time? Okay.
You gonna ride with me again? Ow! Woo! Dude, that was awesome. What do you think? Are you excited? Are you excited? Get it. Hey. Do you love it? Do you love to ski?
It's less for me.
Do you love to ski?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say, I love to ski.
I like to ski.